Want to invest like a billionaire? Well, the investing world just got a major jolt from Buffett himself. He's revealed his secret stash of 6 Nasdaq-100 stocks, and one of them is poised to skyrocket in 2024. Today, we're cracking the code on Warren Buffett's Nasdaq-100 picks and revealing his top choice for explosive growth this year. Is it Apple? Amazon? Maybe it's something more surprising. Let's get started. Warren Buffett's Nasdaq-100 stocks. Let's talk about Warren Buffett, a super smart investor and the big boss of a company called Berkshire Hathaway. He's got his hands in a lot of pies, especially in these 6 companies that are part of the Nasdaq-100. That's like a list of 100 really big and important companies. Here's a simple breakdown of these companies. Number 1. Apple, AAPL. Think of Apple as the biggest apple in Warren Buffett's basket. It's a tech giant that makes cool stuff like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. People love Apple because they always come up with neat new things, have a super famous brand, and know how to get their products made and sold efficiently. Number 2. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon is like a huge online store where you can buy almost anything. But it's not just about shopping. They also do things like cloud computing, that's storing and processing data over the internet. And they even sell digital stuff like movies and music. Amazon keeps growing because they really focus on what customers want, have a huge network to deliver stuff quickly, and they're always thinking of new ideas. Number 3. Kraft Heinz, KHC. Imagine a kitchen filled with all sorts of yummy foods like ketchup, snacks, and drinks. That's what Kraft Heinz does. They make and sell all these things. They're doing well because they have popular brands, lots of different products, and they're good at managing how they get their products to stores. Number 4. Sirius XM Holdings, SIRI. Sirius XM is like a radio station in space. They send music, news, and other cool programs to people's radios from satellites. They're special because they have unique shows you can't find anywhere else, a strong brand, and a great way to reach listeners. Number 5. Tesla, TSLA. Tesla is all about the future with its electric cars, solar panels, and batteries to store energy. They're successful because they make innovative products, have a famous brand, and are committed to helping the planet by reducing pollution. Number 6. Berkshire Hathaway, BRKA, BRKB. This is Warren Buffett's own company. It's like an umbrella covering lots of different businesses, from insurance to retail shops to making things. They're doing great because they have smart leaders, manage things well, and their business is varied. Buffett chose to invest in these companies because he thinks they'll keep growing and making money over time. If you're thinking of investing, it depends on what you want. If you want regular money coming in, Kraft Heinz is a good pick because they pay nice dividends. But if you're more about finding a company that might grow a lot, Tesla is exciting because lots of people want electric cars and clean energy now. Analysis of each stock. Warren Buffett, the investment guru, has a knack for picking winners in the stock market. His strategy? He looks for companies that are like castles with unbreakable walls. They've got something special that keeps the competition out, a brand that's as famous as a Hollywood star, and the potential to grow like a beanstalk in a fairy tale. Take Apple, for example. It's not just another tech company for Buffett. He sees Apple as a jewel in his crown. A company that's more than just its products. It's about the Apple fans who'd rather skip lunch than use a non-Apple product. This love from customers, mixed with a knack for making money, makes Apple a top pick for Buffett. Then there's Amazon, the giant of online shopping and cloud computing. It's a bit of a curveball in Buffett's usual game plan, but he can't ignore its magic. Amazon's got this way of keeping customers happy and coming back for more. Buffett admires Jeff Bezos, Amazon's founder, for building such an empire. He even wishes he'd jumped on the Amazon wagon earlier. Now, let's talk about Kraft Heinz. It's been a bit of a slow runner compared to others, but Buffett's patient. He sees the strength in their brand and their power to hike prices without losing customers. With a new captain steering the ship, Buffett's betting on clearer skies ahead for Kraft Heinz. Sirius XM might not be a household name like the others, but it's a cash cow, steady and reliable. That's music to Buffett's ears. He likes businesses that don't rock the boat too much, ones that make money in their sleep. That's Sirius XM for you. Tesla's a whole different story. It's flashy, it's cutting edge, and it's all about electric vehicles. But here's the thing. Buffett likes to see the road ahead clearly. And with Tesla, it's like trying to predict the weather. so he's staying on the sidelines for this one. And of course, there's Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's fortress. It's a mix and match of businesses, from insurance to retail, all managed with a mastermind's touch. For Buffett, it's not just about one or two stocks. It's about how the whole team plays the game. Buffett's approach is pretty straightforward. He's not chasing quick wins or getting swayed by the latest trends. He's more like a gardener, planting seeds in the soil he knows will bring forth a bountiful harvest. He's looking for companies that have built themselves up so strong that they're almost like legends. These companies have customers who stick around like family and potential for growth that's as big as the sky. In his world, it's all about being smart, patient, and having an eye for the long game. It's like he's got a magic compass that points him to the treasures in the stock market. And that, my friends, is the Buffett way of building an empire in the business jungle. The best stock to buy now. Now, imagine you're in a giant shopping mall where you can buy anything from a toothbrush to a car. And it all comes to your doorstep. Welcome to Amazon, the king of online shopping and cloud computing. Why is Amazon the best stock to pick right now from Warren Buffett's playbook? Let's break it down in simple terms. First off, Amazon is like that popular kid in school who everyone wants to be friends with. They've got a loyalty program that keeps customers coming back, and they really focus on making shoppers happy. This has helped Amazon make a lot of money, and they're not stopping there. They're diving into new things like healthcare and even selling cars online. Now let's talk numbers. As of January 2024, Amazon is worth a whopping $1.579 trillion. That's like if you had $1 trillion mountain of cookies, with an extra 579 billion cookies on top. This big number shows how strong Amazon is in the market and hints at how much it could grow in the future. Amazon's making bank too. In just 3 months in 2023, they made $143.1 billion in sales. That's like selling a whole lot of everything. Experts think Amazon will keep growing massively up to 2029 and beyond. They're also nailing it in digital ads and making good money in retail. Warren Buffett, the mastermind investor, thinks Amazon is a smart choice, even though it's a bit different from what he usually goes for. He's a big fan of Jeff Bezos, the guy who started Amazon. Buffett even wishes he'd invested in Amazon way earlier. Here, why is Amazon the top stock to buy now? Well, it's like having a golden ticket. Amazon's making serious money, growing super fast, and has a future that looks brighter than a field of sunflowers on a sunny day. Plus, Buffett's thumbs up on Amazon is like getting a high five from a champion. So Amazon is not just a store, it's a money-making, customer-pleasing, future-growing giant. It's like catching the biggest fish in a huge ocean of opportunities. That's why it stands out in Buffett's collection of cool stocks. Which of these 6 stocks are you most excited about, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to ride the tech wave and subscribe for more market insights you can use.